Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove page gradient color in publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show remove page gradient color. Now go to the page design option. Now click for a background option. Now click for a more background option. Now click for no fill option. Now for click, then click for OK. That is. Then again remove page gradient color. Now go to the page design option. Then click for a background option. Now click for more background. Then click for no fill option. Now click for OK. That is. Then you show remove page gradient color in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for